Hello, this is Impact Frames and I'm gonna talk a little bit about how I use the Krita plugin to come up with different card designs that you can then model in 3D. And the whole thing is quite very easy to do, but anyway I'm gonna explain how to get the plugin running in Krita. So you get to this website, the flyingdog.de, and get the plugin, and then also open the collab. And an important thing when you open collabs is like, I'm gonna put this in English, I guess. Yeah. Yes, something that I want to explain is in the file you first save a copy in your drive and probably give it a name that you can recognize, close the old one and rename it to something that you like maybe if one, and now you're not messing up with the other file. So normally you can run all the cells with this command, Ctrl F9, but because this one killed the operating system, we're gonna start one cell by one. So I will initialize the graphic card that we're gonna use, and it gave us a Tesla P100. It's not too important which one they give you because normally they are quite good. That one crashed the collab, and now it gets the web UI repository and now the dependencies. And this one, let's start like installing the Krita plugin. Zip it to this folder and copy the contents of that, and now go to your C drive, users, and your name in your computer, app data, roaming, Krita, and all your Python scripts will be here in PyKrita, and then you can paste the contents of the folder for the plugin. And now running Krita will install the plugin automatically. So this is still running, and you know when it finished because it gives you a check mark besides it like this. So we still have some work to do on this cell. Is running all these SDKs and whatever it has, and it's putting everything, I guess, here. And the next cell will be the Hugging Face model, which have all the use for getting all the data for the AI to work. And then there is another model here, which is JFP GAN, which is for scaling and for the faces, I think. So here now we're gonna see Stable Diffusion plugin. I'll show you what I have been doing before. I had this kind of design that's what we're looking for. So we have like the cell finish, so we're gonna do another one. And yeah, so we have like the back view and the side view, and we can probably do the front view by our own artistic choice. here we have another side view. This, let's keep going with the collab. That was quite quick. It's checked, and now it will kill the system again. See how it crashed the folders inside the computer, but everything is there, everything. So now it's checking for them all inside the Stable Diffusion Web UI folder in the Google machine, and now we will import the Web UI, and this is where it will give you the Gradio API thing that we can connect into the settings here. So it will communicate with the collab. It's quite great plugin. I think the guy that made this called Imperator Maximus is here. This guy. He must be a genius. It's a great plugin also, like the UI he made, or the person who made this UI, is a lot more friendly and straightforward than working with the website. And today we're gonna work with the front image, but you can also go from a text prompt, or also you can do your paint, and it will fill out the rest. Another important thing is to use square images, because I think it's a lot more concise when you got like a square image. And if you use something small like 512 by 512, it will be a lot quicker. It doesn't have so much of a precision, but it's good enough for our use. Because afterwards you can like redesign these things and you are like 70% there. So this is the Gradio app, which normally people use to work in the web, but we need this address here, and for some reason my pen is not working now, but let's put it in there, in here, and we give this, we leave it like this. Okay. Now let's find an image. I'm gonna use this image, but you can find like a lot more blueprints. You can find an interesting blueprint to start with, like okay, let's try to make a Tesla car. This was the previous prompt for the other cars, but now we're gonna change this sedan to SUV or Cybertruck. I don't think a boat tail will work really well here, so let's try with that. But we don't want that image, we're gonna use the image that we had before. Let's see. This image here, so copy the image and come here and okay, I'm not sure what's happening now. Let's go, maybe Ctrl-Shift-A will deselect the image, and now Ctrl-V. Download from remote sources, yes. And we got our image here, so Ctrl T, we can rescale it, transform it. For Ctrl T is for transform. And I love Krita because it's kind of like Photoshop. The same things work here. So yeah. Now Ctrl A, and let's try from image now. And yes, we got our image here. So a little bit about these settings, denoising. I'm not sure really well what it is. I think it's like trying to get to this image here, trying to be more similar to this. And then the steps is how tight the lines are, and I think so. No, I'm not sure. And then we're gonna ask for 4 images, but you can ask 3, or it will be quicker with 3, but let's try with 4. And then the guidance, I think 12 is okay. And we have these different methods. Because I was working, I think Hue works well. I'm gonna try that again. So now it should be communicating with the collab, and it's here batch 1, 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4, and it gives you the percentage so nicely. Okay, so it gave us these designs that we can work now with. Then, like, let's select this one. It didn't pick up, or that's why it looks more like a sedan. But I kind of like this. Let's try this one at least. As you see, we have more steps. Like the before was 20 steps, now we are doing it with 90 and getting more closer and closer to the original design. Let's see with 0.5 how good it will be. And redo it. And because it's only one, it will be a lot quicker. Yeah, this looks more like the Cybertruck. Let's change this for SUV. And no bowtail, no. Let's try see if it has blueprints. Let's see how it goes. And generate again. I probably should have done like the third image before killing it, because I like kind of this interesting thing here on the window. This one is quite nice. Let's try to do that fourth. And yeah, it's looking more like an SUV. Let's select it and do this. The second one, I don't know what happened there. Not really, apart from the back, which is quite nice. Not really too great. Let's see, 65 and 100. Yeah, that's a lot better. Maybe it's losing a bit of the front. It missed some bit in the front. Okay, we can try with another card. Let's see. Something with more colors. Let's try with this. This is quite good. Let's try that. Yeah, not bad. Well, I think we're gonna leave it like that. I think you get the idea, and I hope you can use it also and show me what you have done. Thank you.